Turbulence grounds drones all the time, but birds barely notice it. So researchers built a robotic Kestrel to work out exactly how they pull it off. The Nankin Kestrel is one of the steadiest flyers in the bird world. So a team from RMIT University and the University of Bristol tracked real kestrels using motion capture inside RMIT's industrial wind tunnel, one of the largest in Australia. RMIT researcher Matt Penn says birds don't rely on just one trick. They're constantly adjusting their wings and tails, using the natural flex in their feathers and joints to absorb sudden gusts, and sensing disruptions fast enough to react almost instantly. To dig deeper, the team built a robotic replica capable of copying those same movements. Dr. Mario Martinez Groves-Rains, who led that side of the work, says the robot let them precisely measure how each individual movement contributes to staying steady in rough air. The findings, published across 2 papers in the Journal of the Royal Society Interface, could help engineers design small drones that don't need to be grounded every time the wind picks up, which matters more as climate change makes turbulence worse. Direct from the Trekzone studio in Brisbane, it's another Talking Science Daily Bite.